sorry for cutting the video for my very first part of my Christmas slash birthday haul, mega haul type of video. So I did not actually mention that like I'll be right back with the next proportion of the haul. I did not say that in that specific video, so I forgot to mention like this whole portion right here. This is the next portion that I'll be featuring in today's video. So again, first off, words can't even explain it. Like wow, like look at the massive score. So this is the scores that I have received from let's see here January the 3rd of 2026, 2026. Also, maybe my New Year's haul, maybe. But whatever. Uh, without any more rambling, let's just get on with the video. Starting off with, gonna do left, right to left this time because, or maybe, yeah, right to left from where, accordingly to when, I mean, on how I receive them actually. Starting on with the vehicle number one, which is a color changer to be exact, which is um uh GRC Francesco Bernoulli color changer, which changes from a yellow, which changes from a yellow to red, which is awesome. And I'm really dying and excited to open this. Like I have been dying to get this ever since it came out along with that queen over there. As you can see, Francesco Bernoulli, 2-in-1 from Disney Pixar Cars Color Changers main line. So that's that for Francesco. And then comparisons also with the 155 scale. I don't know if mine is either an error or it's been there ever since when I was a child. Like it it doesn't have its original rotally text anymore. Except for this one though. It still has it. A bit. You can still see quite a bit, but I'm planning on getting a replacement soon for this guy. Just excuse me, just not as of now. So that's that for Jersey Francesco Bernoulli. Don't know if I said it correctly. Then for number two we have here you go. Oh, gonna reach it all the way back here, which is um NASCAR Danny Swerves, metallic Danny Swerves to be exact, from the NASCAR series of 2025. Yeah, yeah, I'm correct. 2025 when they released those metallic NASCAR NASCAR variants. This is my very first NASCAR Danny Swerves, by the way. Very awesome. And then as the new improved uh, NASCAR McQueen artwork, which as you can see, it has like the new McQueen design, showing like which represents his lightning bolt, which is uh, carburetor cap mountain, or I don't know, maybe I'm losing I'm losing I'm quite mixing up my terms here. Radiator cap mountain, which represents his lightning bolt. Oops. See, sorry about that. As you may know, these NASCAR metallic releases, they don't even show like any other releases that you can collect from the back. Sort of like those international packages that you can get from other countries. Which is quite annoying though. It doesn't feature any other cars in the back. Metallic Danny. Oh no. Oh. And then Snot Rod. So this is the first batch of three. After that, and then we're moving on to the next. There we go. Here's the color changers Snot Rod. Comparing, I'll be also putting out all of my Snot Rod variants all together. So this is the Thailand one. Speaking of Thailand, here's the Chinese variant of Snot Rod. I mean, the early 2006 Snot Rod made in Thailand. The very early on made in Thailand cars. You don't even know whether you're gonna get a Chinese or Thailand Disney Pixar cars diecast back in the day. Snot Rod, which changes from a white to his original orange color. As you can see, 2-in-1 Snot Rod. And then for next next up we have my very first race and rescue vehicle that from this January haul, I guess. This portion, January 3rd, which is Sally. Also, this was quite a bit of a late upload since I was very busy uh, gathering all of the cars that I'm needing in order to make a complete mega haul video. So sorry about that. Again, very first race and rescue vehicle, Sally from the race and rescue line, 2025, as you can see right there, new for 2025. I'm also planning on to buy another Sally for make another custom, which her without the cone on her roof, because it's not actually accurate in the book, because she didn't appear at all with the cones on her roof along with the roof rack. Actually appeared, but the cones did appear just in the book, just not on Sally's roof, of course. Even they did not even bother to add the white stripe detail on the cones. Quite unfortunate. Even though on the card, even on the card it shows like the detail right here, like the stripes on the cones. There's red. So here's the. I know this is in like some sort of specific case, like case W or something. It shows Race and Rescue Morgan, Red, Jeff, Luigi and Guido, and Rally Race Jackson. That's Rally Race Jeff, actually, Jeff Corbett. That's it for Sally. And then, uh, how do, oh no. Next up, oh, oh dear, I'm trying to reach very badly. So here's my next color changer for this haul. Third one, which is GRC McQueen, which is the only two GRC color changers in the main line, which is McQueen and Francesco, which he changes from this like bluish gray sort of color to his typical red color, 2-in-1 again. So, yep, it's McQueen for you. We're starting to have part-time here. Then, last stop before we get on to the multi-packs. Oh no, forgot to bring one of my McQueens out for... I have nothing to compare him anyways. Whatever. So here's... I did not also bring a Chinese Rusty Cruz Ramirez because I was planning on making a fabulous Cruz Ramirez with this as a custom, but I'm just gonna plan to like keep this in package for future references because it's my only carded car, which is from the 2025 mainline. Let's see. Yep, made in Thailand. As in Cars 3 shows Rusty's McQueen and Jackson. Alright, so that's about that for the for the for the cars, the singles actually. Now we're moving on to the 2-pack, so I'll just clear pretty much the singles out of the way, then be right back shortly. And then I'll be showing the one of my favorite parts of this video, which are mainly these guys on the bottom, the 5-packs to be exact. Oh yeah, I nearly forgot to mention this earlier that every now and then actually, like every after I reviewed the chosen car that you guys have picked from the new, I have discovered this just now from YouTube, like after like years, after like by searchings on YouTube, like on how to make a poll on YouTube poll for like your YouTube channel for starters, just like me, for example. I would be featuring some cars, and then like you just have to like maybe pick which ones you wanted me to review. Like the most votes win, obviously, and then gets the car that they want me to review first. So I don't know much about, I don't know, I have clearly no clue all that much for those type of poll type of stuff. So just gonna save that for, you know, future references maybe. So here's the first multi-pack I'm gonna show you, which is this um Tokyo Race 5-pack, which includes, surely these are Thailand variants of Shu, Lewis, WGP McQueen, or Randy McQueen with racing wheels, Raul, and Miguel. No. Oops. Like, there you go. Since the box is so wide, I are not able. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I accidentally like pressed the off button, like I accidentally hit my camera back then, so just gonna put this back here again. Such a mess. Golly. Oh, before we move on to the last multi-pack for this segment, which is, nearly forgot to show Danny Swerves and comparing him with his NASCAR metallic variant, since I I don't have like the regular NASCAR Danny Swerves just yet. I can't wait to review very soon. Then last portion for this video, which is this um cruising through Radiator Springs 5-pack, which has definitely two new variants for me at least, which I've been dying to have, which is this Cruising McQueen. I know, it may seem silly that I'm getting Cruising McQueen again, although I already have him, but somehow mine's already all beat up and chipped up, as you can see here at the back. But this is not an ordinary, just not an ordinary Thailand Cruising McQueen, but it's actually the corrected one. They actually added like the bumper stickers, which Lizzie put on him during like the Life Would Be a Dream scene. Here's Radiator Springs McQueen, by the way, just for like, even though it's not that similar. Second car I'll be needing from this pack, which is this another new model of Sally, which is not this chunky model of Sally, which we have been stuck for years and years now, and they have never corrected the model ever since 2018 roam around. And then along with the Radiator Springs Classics mainline, with the like Sally with tattoo variant, and then that's from I guess late 2017 and early 2018 I guess. And then early 2018 they also released this specific Sally, which I'm also dying to have. I know there's like two variants of those, which one has a collector card and one doesn't, which I'm dying to have the one with the collector card, or neither of those, which is the corrected model for Sally, sort of like this one, the metallic Sally. So that's why I got this pack, not only for these two again, also for this Ramon here, because I also don't have the hydraulic Ramon non-lenticular variant, which I'll be getting him right over here, since I have a lenticular variant of it. Mine is all beat up and stuff. He's actually Super Chase, the lenticular one. Super Chase, it's not a Super Chase, it's just a chase piece. Along with some other metallic cars from that line, with like Daryl, Metallic DJ, and who else? I don't know. These are fun fact. This is also one of my very first Ramones that I had in my collection. Old school Ramone. Wait, I think I got this the Thailand variant. Who cares? Then Lightning Ramone, which had already its Thailand release, which I'm not gonna get that. Like the paint work on that release is more orangey, which is not my kind actually. And also this Sally, since I can't wait for that much longer, is also gonna get a single release this year, 2026. This time made from China, actually New China to be exact, but it does not look like your old Chinese Sally that you are used to back then. Like much. Like I was expecting way too much that they'll fix it. Like no more blurry decals and stuff, and all of those type of issues from Thailand. So sheesh. So here's the cars at the back. Damn. Oh man, it's damn. So I guess that's it for this portion, and then I'll be back soon. I guess for like maybe I don't actually remember the date. January when for the next. I know it's still around January when I receive another load of cars for my mega Christmas slash birthday haul, but it is around like uh it's around January the 13th maybe. So I'll be right back with the next part of my my mega BD and Christmas haul, I guess. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Steady on, like steady on. Disney Pixar Cars fan, like it's worth mentioning. I nearly forgot to mention this box at the beginning of the video. This mystery box, which is also a gift, but nah, I'm not gonna show this in this video. But until I complete them, here's like a small sneak peek what it is, but should I show it? I don't know. Um, yeah, I won't until I collect all the necessary holders that I need. Like, because I know I have damaged and painted over my original fake Chinese knockoff Mac, which is this sort of variant, and then I'm trying to replace it with another one, which is in this box. I don't know if it's either the correct one, but whatever. Just gonna put it back here on the side. Gee, what a mess. But although I'm just gonna compare them side by side with this Mac for a change, for just to know like the difference. If you can notice it right away, and then if you can tell if it's which one's the real deal Mattel Mac, or if it's the cheap Chinese knockoff one. Seems that you can't even tell as of now, but the actual reviews of it, but in the actual reviews of the Macs, I'm gonna show them all actually, but just not just not now actually. Just not now. We just have to wait and see what it holds. Like as of now, I'll be putting up a I'll be putting up a poll between like these cars that I have featured in this video, like which oh no, I think I'm gonna have to clean this mess up before I close up here. Anywho, so in this haul, just tell me in the comments below, like which one is your favorite. Mine has to be if you ask me, can't even tell which one's my favorite. It's already getting disarranged now. my favorite personally, just personally, even though I was planning to not to collect that line, which is the Race and Rescue, which I think it's garbage, since a lot of mean and so far, I don't know, negative comments about it, since it's rubbish and stuff. But I think it's fine. Like, it's a okay, alright. I mean, overall favorites. I'm not gonna do some ranking here, you guys. I mean, kind of over here. So I'll be taking some quick pictures on which cars that you want me to be reviewing first. Is it either the color changers, NASCAR, or some of the multi-packs? Disregard the. Oh yeah, I even nearly forgot the. Whoa. Um. Whoops. Nearly. Whoops. I'm really sorry about that. Or actually, the Race and Rescue. Disregard also Cruz Ramirez and then the family over there. So maybe uh, I'll be putting some polls after I record this video, and then just gonna wait couple, like, I don't know how many fans of mine would be choosing. Like, maybe there would be like some color changer fans or NASCAR fans out there, and then like the fans for the multi packs, Race and Rescue. I don't know. Let's just see. Let's just see about it, and it would be focused more on maybe like next week or so. Very, very rough schedule ahead of me right now, so we'll just see. Let me great. First of all, my mistake from like my yesterday's vlog. I mean, see you, I guess, the next following weeks or so. Not, I mean, by the next week, or like the next proportion of this video that I'll be doing right now, which is my second, oh yeah, third portion of my Christmas and birthday haul. I know it's not that much. This is actually the scores that I have from January the 12th, 2026, basically. Still, once again, Happy New Year's to me. New year, new beginnings for me. Especially new cars. After they haven't released them in a while. Then let's just begin so we can get this video over with. I know this would be just quite a bit of a short video. So should I start? So I'm gonna be doing this by order actually. I think let's start with the Glow Racers up first, which is right here. I mean, I guess by the order in which I got them from. This Glow Racers Dan Garcia, which he looks insanely different to the original one back in the like multi-pack, that Amazon exclusive, which is a exclusive vehicle along with some others like, right, like Danny Swerves with window bars, Jackson Storm with window bars, the RPM Racer, which was like a re-release of it's not actually Winford, it's actually Bruce Miller. Really blanked out and forgot his name back there. And I can't wait for the actual review of this guy. Of this Glow Racer. This is also one of my very first Glow Racers in my collection. I was also planning not to collect them since they're like a bunch of nonsense. and it's not worth getting. Just like those mini racer, glow in the dark, especially that exclusive glow in the dark Doc Hudson from that multi pack, which is not worth getting. Except for that exclusive Doc Hudson though, but whatever. Very nice design. I also got this not only for the attractive design, and it's new, of course, for me since I'm also new in collecting these. I'm also gonna be testing this out in terms of when I get my review out on this guy. I'm really excited though. He's from a new series called Glow Racers, the Pixar cars. Sadly though, it doesn't show the character. It only shows McQueen with this like glow in the dark paint job. Says there glows in the dark. We all know that. Then at the back shows other race. They actually interchange the characters from every back of a card art for this like Glow Racers mainline. Like this one, for example, has Fillmore, Ramon, McQueen, Wingo, and one of the last Glow Racers to be released, 2025, and Jackson. I know I have seen all of these and maybe all of these in store. Fillmore, I don't know. I'm not sure if I have seen him. For the Ramon and Jackson, like these two, pretty sure I have seen them, except for the McQueen and Ramon. I mean Wingo. This I'm still not sure about these three if I've seen them on the pegs, hanging on the pegs. And then that's that for Mr. Dan Garcia. Glow Racer variant. Second up would be Cal Weathers from the Race and Rescue mainline 2025. Rally Race Cal Weathers, racer number 42. Still holds on to his Dynaco sponsorship, and then the multicolored tires, which is blue in the front and white or gray at the back, just like it represents on its card. Still, Lightyear tech still remains. There's also a book about this guy, about this mainline, which I don't know. I guess I'm planning to get that so I could actually like maybe show and maybe do a review on it actually. Read along, I guess. View for 2025. At the back it shows other releases, recent ones. Most recent shows actually from the video before this segment, this third segment of my mega Christmas and birthday haul, which I also like showed this recent Rescue Sally, Jeff, Jackson, which I guess I have seen these all maybe in stores, except for Morgan Martins. He was actually a deluxe, but he actually shrunken down the. Yeah, it's a long story for him, but they actually shrunken down the size of Morgan Martins to fit inside of a singles packaging because the last 2022 like they canceled the deluxe line, which is one of the last. I guess it was like 2021, one of the last years of the deluxe line right before they canceled it. Very sad. Then here's also, by the way, another comparison with Sir Cal Weathers. different shade of blue according to my camera. I think like it's like maybe I guess it's the lighting of the room. Rally Race Cruz Ramirez. Oh boy. No difference. Not not at all. Like, not even that much of a difference compared to her like Rally Race. I mean, not Rally Race, GRC Cruz, which I'm still looking forward to get. Comparing it now to the Dynaco version, which I have right here. I'll be bringing all variations of Cruz all out once I get my hands on the actual review of this. Shows other releases. We can also get from the first wave we have McQueen, then Chick, Jackson, Red, and Sarge, which would be back, which I already have Sarge, but those are not actually gonna be part of my Christmas and birthday haul anymore, Mega, because those are like most likely one of my back to normal type of videos. And also like Valentine's Day is coming up and and all that kind of stuff. Oh man, like this video is a lot shorter than ever. Don't know if I'm angled my camera right. Maybe here we go. Last up is for this segment, this portion is this double pack or 2-pack of GRC racers, which is GRC Raul and Miguel. Very cool. I don't have these whatsoever, so it's one of my very first GRC diecasts from the main line. No expression changes for these. And then Raul, same sort of deal. I'll be talking more on of the like the GRC once I get my reviews on these out. I will be also doing another poll on which if you guys want to review me, if you want if you guys want me to review these two both or solo, like a solo review for Raul and a solo review for Miguel. That would be the options for the next poll. I don't know. And then this 2-pack over here, which consists of GRC McQueen and Shoe. Still looking for that as well. I haven't checked in my stores if they have them. Surely they do, because they're already like putting out some new cars now. After like the last time I have seen them was like over 6 years ago from now, which was like 2019. Then after 6 years of waiting, getting stuff online, and then finally from the light of day, I've finally seen them on the pegs and on the shelves from the stores that right, like yeah, you know what I mean. But sad to say, like I don't know when or whenever I'm gonna be uploading the like actual video of the fake Chinese knockoff haulers, which I have already spoiled it already, which is what's inside this box. because I still haven't complete. They are still not complete. I still have like a lot more missing. Some of which are doubles that I would be like doing maybe some customs of, and that's pretty much it. Stay tuned for the next part, which would be on maybe like January 12. I mean, no, this is January 12 actually. The January 18th haul, which is like consists some even more and even cooler type of stuff. The next poll would be coming out pretty soon, just right after this video. Then maybe I'll be checking out tomorrow, maybe once this video, once I have finished recording this video, like who gets the most votes from my last two poll, from the last poll that I have done, which I still haven't reviewed. It's like 25% to 25% for the McQueen color changer in Snot Rod 2026, 2025 Snot Rod and Jersey McQueen color changer. So I'm just hoping that I don't know who would ever win that poll. So I'm just gonna end it up here and then maybe like see you I guess later. I mean see you see you I guess. So I'll be maybe straight on right back with the actual I'm already like mouth's already fully dried out after all of this talking. Maybe as of now I like the this the for now this might be the second to the last or maybe the last portion of my mega Christmas and birthday haul. It's just temporary, but this is the actually second to the last portion without the inclusion of the haulers. So sadly for the delay of videos, and I can't wait for the review of Brian Spark, which would be coming out maybe next week Friday. So see you I guess back again on Friday for like his review. Well, so this is actually the second to the last for right before the grand finale for my Christmas slash birthday haul video, mega Christmas and birthday haul, which are only quite few vehicles. You can see another score. This is like my see here, January 18. I believe that day was when I received these. Yeah, surely. Let's just move on straight on to it. Where should I start first though? Let's start off with the boring ones first and get those out of the way, starting from like the one of the highlights of this year. Wait, no. From last year actually, 2025. Actually, I did not actually get this just to make like some damage racer out of it, just like what I do mostly to my multiple doubles of piston cup racers, because none other than like not only I don't need another Ernie Gearson, but I just noticed from the reviews of this guy, like he's insanely different. He's insanely a variant in terms of his color. It's a much lighter shade of teal. It is actually like similar. similar to like how it looks like on this card. Not not similar. This is actually the incorrect type of teal shade for Eugene. I mean for Ernie Gerson. So video would be coming up on him soon. Picture cars. As seen in the Disney Pixar cars, correct? Then here are the other cars you can get from this collection. Surely these are all 2025 releases, maybe? Correct me if I'm wrong. I mean, surely they are. Up next is Ryan Shields, which mainly he has been released by Thailand, but his first release from Thailand, which they made him metallic from the exclusive Scavenger Hunt series, which didn't even last all that long, which went over from 2018 to all the way now 2020. I guess 3 years though, sadly. So we'll be seeing some more comparisons in depth. I don't know what seemed to be the different. Maybe like the same case as Ernie Gerson, Ryan Shields. Then here's his original counterpart. Oh, I see now. I'll be telling more about it when I get to like this actual review because this is actually his accurate version because it terms like which they have been releasing him so much with like the blue on this part of his hood, the dark blue which is incorrect, which they managed finally to correct it though, which they have done it on the metallic Thailand variant. Still remains. And finally, Mattel has made our wishes come true once again. There we go. As seen in Cars 1, all of all of all of which are from like some cases from the 2025 Cars mainline. Daryl, Mario, Dexter Hoover with green flag, McQueen with shovel. I'm just hoping when I go do some more cars hunting, I will be able to find him. I have seen a pit crew member Sarge though, which I only have now. Right now, as of now, is the race and rescue one, which has like the fire extinguisher, except for that thing that he's holding, which I'll be referring and telling you guys what it is actually on his actual review if I manage to find him. And I don't remember. It's not Christina Willan, which has most likely of a metallic blue, dark shade of blue color compared compared to her like single and two-pack release along with JW maybe like the pickup El Camino truck I guess. Lastly, from the B movie episode Cars on the Road, which we have is Nicole Revwell movie prop, which is the UFO Easter egg from the cartoon short UFM Unidentifying Flying Mater and Jesse Whelan. So I always get these two confused back then. Now that I guess I'll get used to their names. I'm really looking forward to get this movie prop out and take a closer look. Other two packs that you can get. This Ramon, I mean, from as seen obviously from Cars on the Road. Some say this is like some say this is considered a Sunset Ramon, like he has multiple names. But I most likely prefer to call him, I guess, on the road Ramon, or I don't know. Then like the Chief this and oh no, this Chief this Tupac, which still I haven't found in stores. I know I have seen this in one store, which is the Justin Roadrunner and Ken and Jinoki 2 pack, which I wasn't able to get since I already have a lot of cars on me. Ken and Jinoki and just no, not I just yeah. Sadly, though, I was hoping that I might be able to get these guys maybe again soon. Only the cars that I have from Cars on the Road is these like color changers. This like President Mater and the from the B movie episode, Doug Crankle and President Mater. These are the only cars I have from that specific episode. So that's pretty much it. Just hope you guys enjoyed my entirety of my Christmas haul. So I guess see you. I guess maybe for on the review of Jersey Francesco Bernoulli. So once again, this is Disney Pixar Cast fan saying peace.